What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. My buddy AJ over at AJ's Green Topics has a little challenge going on. Start some seeds in a cardboard box and see how they grow in a month. It's April 6th. I'm going to plant them in the cardboard box right now. I'll bring you along and show you the process. So I got my box. I actually just cut the side because it's a taller box. And then this is my compost from last season. So that's what I'll be using. This is staying outside, so there's probably some worms up in here too. So I'm just gonna lightly pack it in. So the seeds I plan on growing are from Gurney's. It's watermelon, radish. I also have a little dibber that's going to help for where I plant the seeds. So just in case you haven't seen radish seeds before, and now I'm just going to drop a seed in each hole. This is actually the most time I've ever spent spacing out radish seeds. Typically I just drop a handful in an area and go. Just lightly rough the top. Oh, I got a little piece of plastic in there. Just lightly rough the top. And then I have a little container with some water that I'm going to water them in right now. Okay, AJ, so there's my submission, buddy. Hashtag cardboard before. I'm going to have that down in my description. So that's how he's going to know who entered the contest. Thanks for coming along and watching, everybody. Have a great day. Another piece of, I don't know what the heck.